Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. And in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can fix that your Instagram account is not opening. Okay, so this is the problem. So what you will do, so you need to go Play Store and you must update it your Instagram account, Instagram apps. Okay, you must update it this. So my Instagram is updated, so when you update it, then minimize your Play Store and then go to settings and go to app management or apps on your settings option, then click app list, find app. Okay, it's related to app and search here your uh, Instagram. I'm just search here and click Instagram and click storage uses and click clear cache and again click clear data. Okay, then go back and go to permission and do everything is allow. Everything is allow. Do this. Okay, everything is allow and go back from this and now go to your Instagram account. Go to your Instagram account and give your username, email or phone number and give password. So I'm just going to my login here and you can easily do this and it will be successfully login. Okay friend, today is no more and please consider to subscribe my channel and thank you for watching this tutorial.